This is silver play button, and this one is the gold play button. Da da da! Wow. Okay, guys, this is the time to unboxing my gold play button from YouTube for passing 1 million subscriber. Yay! Ow! It's so beautiful. Is this beautiful, guys? Wow! Wow! Look at that. Welcome back to my channel, The David the America. Everything about travel, food, adventure, and daily vlog. Today I'm so excited. Do you know why? Because ta-da-da-da-da! Look at this. Wow. Look at this, guys. I just received my gold play button from YouTube for passing 1 million subscriber. Yay! I have not opened this one, and I want to open together with you to share the excitement with all of you. It's so big, 7 pounds heavy. I also bring my silver play button that I got 7 or 6 months ago. This is the silver play button, and you can compare. Look at this. This is silver play button, and this one is the gold play button. So the size of the gold play button is really big. It's about 1.5 times from the silver play button, and also the weight is also different. Silver play button, the weight is about 3 pounds, and the gold play button, the weight is 7 pounds. So it's much heavier. Let's unboxing with me, guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And then one more on the bottom side. Ta-da-da! Okay, guys, this is the time to unboxing my gold play button from YouTube for passing 1 million subscriber. Yay! Here we go. Oh my god. Wow! It has a letter from the YouTube. It's a good quality paper, and let me read it for you. You did it! Wow! 1 mission, 1 channel, and one more thing, 1 million subscriber. Wow! Congratulations! You may have started with just a few viewers, but your voice, passion, and creativity have now touched the life of people around the world. To honor this milestone, we are proud to present you with the Gold Creator Award. The letter was signed by YouTube CEO. Looks so big and beautiful. Wow, so beautiful. Let me open the plastic so you can see more clear. Wow! So presented to the David the America for passing 1 million subscribers from YouTube. So the color is really gold. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. I don't think this is a real gold, but I think several years ago it was really gold when people passing 1 million subscriber, but after that they changed to be like this. Let me compare between the gold play button with the silver play button. Okay, this is the silver play button. This is the gold play button. We also received the same letter. Just congratulations. One is for the passing 100,000 subscriber, and this is for passing 1 million subscriber. The award itself, this is how different. Look at this. So you can notice the size is much bigger, heavier than the silver play button. This is about 7 pounds, and this is about 3 pounds. And the size is about 1.5 bigger than the silver play button. It's beautiful, isn't it? I could not get this gold play button without you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me. Without you guys, I'm nothing. I started this journey, the YouTube channel, 2 years ago from the 0 subscriber, and then keep growing. About 1.5 years after that, I received my silver play button, and then about 6 or 7 months after that is I received the gold play button. September this month is exactly 2 years my journey with YouTube. Sometimes people criticize you, either constructive criticism or non-constructive criticism. Even people who criticize you is your family member or even your good friend. Sometimes that criticism can make you down. The most important for you is just keep growing, stronger, be consistent for what you are doing. I still work full time. And then you still have obligation to make a good video, to make video consistently. That's really a challenging. Focus on your goal, what you want in your life, what you want to grow with your video channel. I will show you some clips about a video in 2 years, either for travel journey, food journey, daily vlog journey, and also adventure journey. Travel. Oh my god, the view is fantastic, beautiful, I love it. The hot dog looks yummy. This is one of the attractions you must visit in San Francisco. Enjoy the atmosphere, enjoy the people, and enjoy the food as well. Who doesn't know Las Vegas? Is that beautiful? Here we go, Walk of Fame. My God, Hugh Jackman. This is one of place in Los Angeles you must visit. 1, 2, twice bigger than me. It's so big. Wonderful, amazing rock. Look at the wonderful waterfall. So incredible. Wow! Look at the flow of the water. It's so heavy. Food. Is this the best place for Malaysian food, Indian food, and Southeast Asian food? Wow. Adventures. Look at that. So beautiful. Gold Rush Town gave a chance to step back in time, relive history in 19th century. Daily vlog. They have the green one and then the red one. Wow! When I reach 500,000 subscriber, I feel that it's so hard to get the 1 million subscriber. But I don't give up. Here we go. I am. Everything is proof. I can get 1 million subscriber. And then, what is the next goal? Keep growing. Don't stop until in one point. And now, of course, I will set my goal bigger, higher than before. I want to get 10 million subscriber, which is for the diamond play button.
Wow!
Very important to set your goal in your channel. Why? Because you can keep focusing on your goal, become your motivation to stay when you feeling frustration, when you depressed, when you feel want to give up. That's the most important, that you have a goal in your life, a goal in your channel. Oh. Wow. By the way, guys, do you like this beach? It's beautiful, isn't it? I know. The next goal will be harder for me. It's much higher because it's about 10 million subscriber. But everything is possible. It's like before, when my subscriber is still 0. I just feel, oh my god, it's very hard to get 100,000. But actually, I got it. And then when I reach 100,000 subscriber, I set the goal. Yes, I set the goal for 1 million subscriber. But there is a time that I feel want to give up. I feel that I'm exhausted. I'm tired to make this video. But at the end, everything is so sweet. I can reach 1 million subscriber. Time goes so fast. And now, for 10 million subscriber, it's not easy, but soon or later, I also believe that I can reach it. Okay? And I can reach it, so do you. Okay? Wow! Oh my god, look at that. It's so beautiful, the beach, isn't it? Oh my god. Again, guys, thank you for everything. Thank you for supporting me all the time until this point. Without you guys, I could not reach my goal. I could not get 1 million subscriber. Thank you for my friend and family. Thank you for online family. You guys, my subscriber, you are my online family. And thank you for all your support. This award is also for you guys. We celebrate all together. We celebrate this. Thank you so much. Yes! Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.